It's day 5 of planting. What are we planting today, Gina?
Sunflowers and pumpkins.
And our special surprise, which I think it's already been mentioned in here, but they're pumpkin on a stick. It's an eggplant.
They should be pretty. And the zinnias are coming to me. So maybe
we'll do a run.
Good. And then these would have been the ones I did, and then you know, see how they're different.
Yeah.
So, but that's good. Look, so we got a whole little.
Way more flowers than we had before.
And we got rows here, rows here.
And this is only like less than a week.
Yeah.
Almost a week after planting.
Oh, look at that one. There's way too many down there. We gotta.
That was our dump and run from last time.
Dump and run. Right. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay.
And amaranth are growing.
Oh, those are gotten taller.
Yeah, they look good. Oh, here we go. We planted all these. So they're coming across there. Yeah.
Our mound.
Yep. Excellent. So you know what? We need to mow that down. And remember we put
I've planted these. I'm planting all the way down there. Planting.
I just thought the other day,
These are planted all the way down here. Hi, Gina.
Hi.
All the way here. I got mine too. All the way down there, and then on the other side of these. There, Gina is weeding. We're gonna make room for our pumpkin on the sticks in the midst of our okra. Here's where we planted all the sunflowers, more zinnias. More zinnias here. And so, something is on me, but we're gonna pick all this red clover and all this before we tear it down. Pick some of these. Now I'm ripping the rest of them out because we need room for the pumpkins. Make sure you get the roots. We're stopping for a water break because it is hot out here today. Just weeded a bunch. Now we're gonna go take a little water break and get out of the sun for a little bit. And then we'll
This is our farm cat. He helps us do all things on the farm. Where'd you plant, Missy?
sunflowers.
Sunflowers.
The big ones, the tall ones.
The mammoths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite hot out here.
Are you dripping? I'm dripping.
I'm soaked.
And then we have our friend. So Sam is helping us. Say hi, Sam. Yeah, you're sitting next to your friend Missy, aren't you?
Oh, yay.
Yay, Missy loves Sam.
Alright, so pumpkin on a stick. It's planted right here. So walk down to Gina. Planting some pumpkins.
They're the prettiest coneflowers I've ever seen. They came from Lidl's last year. Here's another hibiscus with flowers on it. We'll pick all those little roselles and make tea with them. Elecampe plant and some lavender I harvested this week. So this is one of our hibiscus plants. Beautiful little flower we'll make into tea. And next to it is a volunteer sunflower that we've been following. Let's see if I can get that in there. Look how beautiful that is.
Alright, did we have fun today?
We did, we're sweating.
Just like earlier. We took a little break and now we
have a little hibiscus roselle. We're going to go dry for tea. But we found all kinds of good stuff today.
Yep.
So, alright, sunflowers are done, pumpkins are in.
So everything is planted, I believe?
Yes, no more. Now we just weed.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, bye.